Hello and welcome to day 22 of my 31-day acrylic pour challenge. We just have a little over a week left. Today we are doing what Mixed Media Girl calls a tornado ring pour. Now I've watched some of her videos and I think she's the one that came up with it, so I'll tag her in the description below. But basically, it's a traveling ring pour, but then you start going back, and it can kind of look like a tornado. Well, if any of you know my oldest, he loves tornadoes. So I'm going to try to make it look as realistic as I can to a tornado, abstract tornado painting. So we've got some neutral colors here. So in a pour, obviously you want the thing that's on top to go in your cup first. So I have lighter colors and brown colors, these three colors that are going to go first. And then I have greens and earth tones to go in afterwards, so they'll be the first to go down. So we're going to hopefully be able to do this and it will be awesome. So really quick, the colors are Master's Touch Raw Umber, Master's Touch Chrome Oxide Green, Art Mines Gunmetal, had to think what AM was, Master's Touch Grass Green, and then in between all those I'm going to do light olive green so it can have that contrast like I had with the mermaid one with the tree ring pour. Then I have Master's Touch Warm Gray, Antique Bronze from Deco Art, and Art Mines Champagne. So that is what we're going to do today. I have mixed them over here. There's a couple of them needed a little bit of water, but we're not going to mess with too much today. So I'm just going to do these four for a little bit, and then I'm mostly going to do the other for the biggest part of my pour. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do all of that really quick, and then I'll bring you back when they're full. Okay, so I have this filled up. The bottom part has my earth tones minus the green, and then this part has the other part, and then I actually ended it with just greens on the very top. So we're gonna see how this goes. So now I'm going to move all these cups out of the way. And then at the end, I might do something else too to make it look, depending on how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out, then I won't worry about it. Get my gloves before I start getting into it. Okay, these. My painting from yesterday is drying beautifully. It's not dry yet. So I will show you at a different time. Okay. Okay, so hopefully this will work out well. Okay, then I want to stop for a second. I'm actually going to stretch it first before I keep going. I want to stretch it first before I keep going the opposite way, because I don't want this to work out. So we're going to don't like okay. All right, now I will continue pouring this way. I'm gonna keep going this way and do big. And then I'll do little. Okay. Now let's see. That looks really cool. That looks really cool without being stretched. So let's see. Okay, let me put my gloves on now and see if I can get some. I know it's falling off the edge there. So hopefully. And a little trick I learned from another artist is if you stretch one of the parts out, then it's less likely to stretch out because you've already moved the paint around. So this part isn't going to stretch as much right now, at least. Turn it around so you can see the coolness that's going on here. Okay, now we're gonna turn this around again. And start coming down. Bringing this, I'm gonna bring it back up again, but obviously need to get in that corner now, so I'm gonna have to stretch it out a little bit. Come on. Okay, now I want it to come back. Come back this way. Do that corner. Got this corner. I want it to come back this way because I do want it to be up before it goes down. This is looking super cool, guys. Okay, let's pour a little bit more off this side. There we go. Now I want to bring some of it up here. Again. Oh my gosh, guys. this is cool. I'm sorry it's taking so long, but it is cool. I'm pretty excited about it. I just want I don't want it to be so spread apart right there. Stretch it a little bit. I didn't even torch. Darn. That's okay. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it off over here a bit. So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've been looking forward to doing this one for a while. It like looked so fun. Let me turn it around. There's this corner that is bugging me. Gotta get this corner. A little bit more and then we'll call it good. Go down. Just a little bit. Okay, maybe I'll just gonna do some dabbing. These dang corners want to be really pesky. Okay, guys, that is really cool. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off and I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, and here you have it. Here is the tornado pour. And there's, of course, lots of shimmeriness going on there. My son already looked at it and approved. So that is a good success right there. And I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. I might torch it. Maybe not. But that looks super cool, guys. I'm excited. And it's success. Woohoo! So here's day 22. And I hope you guys have a great day, a great Saturday. Or whatever day you're watching this. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and let me know what you think. And we will see you tomorrow for a different pour. Thanks. Bye.